Bitcoin exchange-traded funds could see $220 billion of inflows over the next 3 years, potentially quadrupling BTC's price to $280,000 when applying the multiplier on new capital, according to JMP Securities. Crypto exchange Coinbase remains well-positioned if the inflow estimates are correct. JMP raised its price target on Coinbase to $300 from $220, the highest among Wall Street analysts, while maintaining its market outperform rating. While spot Bitcoin ETFs inflows have reached $10 billion just 2 months after launch, GMP said that activity and flows experienced thus far are likely still the tip of the iceberg. The analysts estimate that $220 billion of incremental flows will come into the ETFs over the next 3 years, which could be quite impactful to Bitcoin's price given the multiplier on capital. If the level of net ETF inflows reaching $220 billion is correct, this alone could drive a $5.5 trillion Bitcoin market cap increase or $280,000 per Bitcoin. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin ETF and Fidelity Wise's FBTC experienced a 2.6% increase in pre-market trading on March 13th, following a strong influx of funds on Tuesday. The resurgence was mainly attributed to a record high inflow of $849 million, propelling BlackRock's net inflow to over $11.44 billion and its asset holdings to $14.5 billion. Fidelity Wise's FBTC soared 2.53% to $64.08, while Grayscale's GBTC experienced a 2.56% surge, reaching $65.3. The ARK21 shares Bitcoin ETF recorded a 2.55% gain, reaching $73.22, while VanEck's HODL saw an 2.17% rally to $82.71. Valkyrie's BRRR also rose by 1.38%, reaching $20.55. Invesco Galaxy's BTCO gained 2.6%, settling at $73.3. Franklin Templeton's EZBC experienced a 2.3% uptick, reaching $42.4, and Hashtag's DeFi observed a 2.67% hike, reaching $84.7. On March 12th, data from Soso Value revealed a remarkable net inflow of $1.05 billion into spot BTC ETFs, marking the best performance in the past 5 weeks, with a total of $8.5 billion traded. The drop in outflows is attributed to a decline in Genesis GBTC sell-offs, which are nearing their conclusion. Crypto lender Genesis obtained bankruptcy court approval to sell 35 million GBTC shares valued at $1.3 billion, with the net outflow from GBTC to date exceeding $11.12 billion. Hong Kong's cryptocurrency industry is urging authorities to approve spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds to strengthen the region's position as a financial hub of Asia. The delay in launching ETFs could disadvantage Asian investors, according to key players in Hong Kong. Hong Kong's monetary authority began accepting applications for spot Bitcoin ETFs in December 2023, but no related products have been launched to date. The authorities are considering the approval of spot Ethereum ETFs. Industry participants believe that launching these ETFs ahead of the US will enhance Hong Kong's status in the global cryptocurrency market. CEO Wang of Hashkey Exchange has commented on the impact of spot Bitcoin ETFs approved by the US Securities and Exchange Commission, stating that the delay could expose Asian investors to higher fees. He also noted that the delayed launch of spot ETFs in half a year would also delay US capital's entry into the market, causing higher purchase costs at entry points. The CEO of Hashkey Exchange is actively advocating for the launch of crypto ETFs in Hong Kong, predicting that the launch will attract significant capital to the region. In the upcoming segment, we will update you about the following news. Blockchain forces from Qatar and South Korea join hands to spur Vision 2030. UAE Infinity Capital acquires stablecoin security infrastructure provider for 7 figures. Institutional investors lead all-time high in crypto volumes at CoinMina. Stay tuned for more updates.